Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get a modded version of Zombeast. This works on iOS and Android, so you get unlimited resources. It's pretty cool. So if you want to download it, just keep watching the video. I'll show you guys how to do it. So basically there's a site called Zoomods. They have tons of apps on here, but they have the Zombeast mod, so you can search it up if you can't find it. But I'm just going to press on it and it's going to start downloading here, as you can see. Now, before it downloads, there is one more step. It's a verification. So what we got to do is just download some apps and like complete the instructions. They're completely free. They're from the real app store, so you guys shouldn't have any problems doing this. There's no like third-party downloads or anything like that. So let's just wait for this to finish here, as you can see, and it's going to bring us over to the page, and you can see it says please install 2 free apps. So there's going to be around 4 apps to choose from. You just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the app store, and then you just download the app. Now, I did the Family Island one where you got to reach level 10. I'm not sure what apps you're going to see because I'm in the United States. If you're in another country, they're not even going to have the same apps. So yeah, make sure you do 2 of them. They have like TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got WGT Golf. You got to reach level 10. So that's pretty easy. But yeah, I don't really know what to tell you. Some of the apps are going to be harder than others, but most of them are pretty easy, and it's a one-time process. And then you get your Zombeast mod for life, guys. So that is super insane. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting a Zombeast modded version, because this is super cool, guys, and it's like fully working and everything. So I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy it because I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. I didn't get banned or anything. So if you guys are interested, be sure to try this out. It's super cool, guys, and fully updated for all devices. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, tell your friends about it. And peace out, bro.